How to send messages to all member in a group of Telegram. So now first of all you have to open your Telegram. Now you have to select what the group you want. So let's say I want to send in this group. So for that, first of all you have to open this group and click on this group title or name. Now you will have an interface like this. So here what you need to do is you have to make admin yourself. So as you can see, I am an admin of this group. I am a owner of this group. If you want to make someone admin, simply click on this profile and that's how you can simply long press and you can make them admin. So that's how you can message to all member in a Telegram group. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.